Dumpster rental service in Nashville Metro Area. At Tandem Disposal, we offer the premier dumpster rental service in Nashville Metro Area, which residents rely on for waste management. Whether you're cleaning out your home, renovating, or managing a construction project, we have a dumpster that fits your needs. Our easy-to-book service ensures a hassle-free experience with reliable and prompt delivery. We understand the importance of time, so we focus on punctual service and a user-friendly process. Our team works hard to ensure your waste removal is smooth, efficient, and handled with expert care. No matter the size of the project, our variety of dumpster options accommodates everything from small cleanups to large-scale construction debris. We are committed to serving Tennessee communities with affordable, reliable, and professional dumpster rental solutions. At Tandem Disposal, customer satisfaction is our priority, and we're here to make waste disposal as easy as possible. For efficient and dependable dumpster rental service in the Nashville Metro Area, call 615-390-1129 for fast, reliable service. Our experienced team is ready to help with any project you have. Let us handle the waste while you focus on what matters most. Trust Tandem Disposal for all your dumpster rental needs.